You won't believe how many times I've had to debug this in the past, be that for me or for clients. The reason for this error when you're building your first n8n workflow is so unbelievable, and I'm gonna show you how to avoid it as well. So it's common for you if you are getting started with n8n that some workflows that you're going to build, especially if you're working with local businesses or if you're building something for yourself and you're getting started, is you're going to use Google Sheets. And the best thing for you to use as CRM, also not the best thing for you to store your data. You can use a table, for instance, if the layout is important for you, but that's a reality. Take this example. I have here a list of 4 leads. Let's say this is for an insurance business. You have the dates, phone number, the email, first name, last name, age, if that lead has insurance or not. It's common for you to have a workflow that you're going to perform a GET request to that Google Sheet, and you're going to add a filter. I'm filtering for the leads that in that has insurance column, it has a yes. I'm only interested in those. And as you can expect, to run this now, it should return 2 leads, right? That you have it. Those are Pam and Jim, just like in the Google Sheet, Pam and Jim. But here's the thing, it's quite common that you're going to see yourself working on it and doing other things at the same time, of course. One of those things might be you're answering an email back or sending an email or answering your WhatsApp message. Sometimes you mean to type something in another window, let's say on WhatsApp or on email. Let's say you want to reply to somebody, thanks, but your cursor is not on that email or on that WhatsApp window, it's here instead. You're gonna write thanks. I know this looks and sounds unbelievable, but it happens quite often. And you're gonna see that on your email window and on your WhatsApp, you didn't type anything. So then you go there and type it for real. But you didn't see that you changed it here. What will cause the workflow to break because there is no such a thing as this column anymore, right? You just change it. So all you have to do is kind of lock this row or a soft lock. You go here on data, protect sheets and ranges, and then you're going to select row 1, set permissions. Then I like to do this show a warning when editing this range. That is enough because every time you do something in this first row here, it's gonna prompt you to confirm. So let's go back to has insurance. You see, it's gonna show this. Now if you run the workflow again, it's going to work. There we have it, Jim and Pam. So what did you learn? Prefer Airtable if you're getting started over Google Sheets. If you are on Google Sheets, block your first row because it sounds and looks silly, but believe me, it happens and it's not that uncommon. By the way, if you're not following yet, drop a follow. Cheers.